Hi, I'm Rosanagh.
And I'm Emily, and we're from Stowhill Estates Cheltenham and North Cotswolds.
And today, on this gloriously sunny day, we're in Bourton on the water in the heart of the Cotswolds. And we're here to show you this brilliant family house. It's built of Cotswold stone. It's got a really pretty garden, plus the added bonus of a 2-bedroom cottage. It really is a gem.
Welcome to Shireburn House. The garden room at Shireburn House is one of our favourite rooms. It's lovely and light. It would make a fantastic entertaining space for family and friends. You've got great views out into the garden, and on a day like today you can throw open the doors for some alfresco dining.
So as well as the main house, there is also the added bonus of this lovely 2-bedroom cottage. It's more than an annex. It's perfect for multi-generational living or alternatively as a great holiday let.
We hope you've enjoyed this tour of Shireburn House. If you'd like any more information or you'd like to come and have a look, then please contact us on the details to follow.
Thank you so much for watching.